In an era where digital efficiency dictates success, lingering in the past with outdated order tracking methods is not an option. Don't conform to NetSuite's limitations. Customize it to fit your business needs. Discover how Online Pages by SmartS is offering you an insight view in NetSuite that's not just current, it's future-ready. Step into the Insight view, where every transaction is meticulously mapped out for your user's analysis. Here, order management is elevated, empowering you with clear, actionable data at a glance. Need to find an order quickly? Want to narrow down your list? Our easy-to-use filters help you sort your orders by their status, amount, and when they were made. It's hassle-free order management at your fingertips. If you know any information about the order, use our simple search bar to find exactly what you're looking for in seconds. Next to the search bar is a sort feature that organizes orders by date or amount. And when you need your order data, just hit Export to download a detailed CSV file. Need the specifics of an order? One click is all it takes. Get a summary of order information from our overview page and a more in-depth view with the detailed page solution. Check out our other videos to get a thorough demonstration of how users can interact with these pages. Our exploration concludes, but your journey with Online Pages is just beginning. With the Insight view as your guide, step confidently into the future of order management, where every decision is informed, every action is swift, and every outcome is optimized for success. Follow our channel to see more exciting products and solutions.